Lost WhatsApp messages or media on your Infinix. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly recover deleted data and keep your important information safe. Part 1. Recover WhatsApp data from an Infinix via Google Drive backup. Check WhatsApp settings, chat backup on your old device. Install WhatsApp on your Infinix and verify your number. Tap Restore to recover messages and media, then Next when done. Part 2. Recover deleted WhatsApp data from Infinix professionally. Best practice. How to retrieve deleted WhatsApp chats from Infinix via Android data recovery. Install the data recovery software on your computer and connect your Infinix via USB. Enable USB debugging and select Android data recovery. Tick WhatsApp or attachments, click Next to scan, then choose Chats and hit Recover. Part 3. Retrieve deleted WhatsApp chats from Infinix with WhatsDeleted. Recover messages. Install WhatsDeleted. Recover messages from Google Play. Grant permissions and notification access. View deleted messages in the app and recover or export them as needed. Part 4. Recover deleted WhatsApp data from Infinix phone via Recover deleted messages. Install Recover deleted messages from Google Play. Grant permissions, let it scan notifications, then view deleted chats. Save or export messages and media as needed.